So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm unmuting you all so that you can start this prayer. Okay. Sit
Ma'am,
properly.
ma'am, today I'll start.
Everyone can start. Okay. Give instruction.
Oh God,
Ankon Patro.
help
Oh
us.
God, let
Oh
us
God, help us to be to do
Oh
others
God, help us to be
good,
good,
not
good to
to
others,
hate
as
others,
we should,
not
not
to
to
hate
hate, but
others,
to love, in the
not
spirit
to be
above.
to
Very
Oh
good.
others.
God, help us
Oh
to be good, good to
God, help
others,
us to
as we
be
should, not to hate, but to love, in the
good
spirit
to
above. Oh
others,
God, help us to others,
to love,
as we
change
should.
us.
Okay, okay. Very good. Okay. So, today, okay, Pushpa. Okay. Very good. So today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 3. I'm sure that all of you have received yes Lamia open chapter 3. We I'm sure that everyone you have received study material and also your homework. Okay. One thing that I need to say, Aratrika, sit properly and be attentive. That every day try to submit your homework within the given time. If you fail to do that, automatically your copy will not be uploaded. You will be unable to submit your copy, okay, after the deadline. So, whenever you will get your assignment, every time check the date. Every time check the date when you need to submit your assignment. Understood? Otherwise, you will be unable to submit your homework. It's mean assignment. Absolutely, it will be your fault. So I will recommend you to complete your homework, also to submit your homework tape basis. Okay, now take out your science book and open chapter 3. Take out your science book and open chapter 3. Yes, Pushpa. Aratrika
Ma'am,
Patto.
ma'am, I send my homework in the date.
Yes, yes, I have checked. I have checked. Okay, very good. Very good. Everyone, open chapter 3. I'm also sharing the screen so that you can also follow me. Okay, but not don't look at only at my screen, as you also have your own book. So take a pencil like every day and follow your book with me. Okay. Let me unmute any one of you so that I can be sure that you are getting my voice. Obhigyan Sarkar, open chapter 3. Open chapter 3. Open chapter 3. Okay, student, can you hear me? Student, can you hear me? Unmute your device and say, can you hear me? Student, can you hear me? Unmute your device and say, for network problem, we got disconnected. Unmute your
Yes,
device
ma'am.
and say, can you
Yes,
hear
ma'am,
me?
I can.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am, I can hear you.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. I
Don't
can hear
shout.
your voice.
Okay, don't shout. Ah, don't shout. Okay. Unmute your device, Rishit, and keep unmute. Okay, I'm sharing my screen and let me inform that can you see my screen or not? Okay, I'm going to share my
Okay.
screen. Okay, so chapter 3 is Animal Help Us. This is our chapter, Animal Help Us. I hope you can see. Aratrika Patro, follow your own book. Follow your own book. Shaptorshi, everyone. So animals help us. So we know that animals are also very much helpful for us. And all animals are helpful for us. Yes. So among animals, there are some category. Among animals, there are also some category. Pet animal, farm animals, pet animal, farm animals, and beast or burden. There are also few kinds of animals. So first, we will learn about our pet animals. So listen, there are different kinds of animals around us. Animals that we tame or keep at our home. Tame. Tame means the animal that we keep at our home or on farms. On farm are called domestic animals. These animals are very useful to us. Okay, pet animals. We keep some animal at our home like dog, cats, fish, etc. They are called pet animal. Why they are called pet animal? As we keep them in our home, in our house. That's why they are known as pet animals. We play and spend time. We love to play. We love to spend time with our pet animal. It may be a little dog, puppy. It can be a little and very sweet pushpa. Rishit, mute your device. You can mute your device. We love to play with our pets. Okay, it can be a cat. It can be a dog. Pet animal help us in many ways. Okay. Pet animal also entertain us. And you can ask me, ma'am, how pet animal help us? How? Just look at the picture, page 19. Dog. We keep dog in our house as our pet animal. And how dog help us? Dog protect our house and protect us, guard our house from enemies. So dog guards our house. This is how pet animal dog can help us and also help us. Now cat. How does a cat help us? Cat catches mice. Cat keeps the mice away from our house. So they also don't entertain us. At the same time, they also help us in many ways. Okay. Now farm animal. FARM farm animals. So farm animal means those animals that we keep on farm. We keep some animal at our farm like hens, cows, sheep, goats, etc. These animals are called farm animals. Farm animals give us food and many other useful things. Cows, buffaloes, goats give us milk, and the milk is very useful for us. Milk is used in making different products, just like hens, duck, geese give us egg. So hen, duck, geese. This farm animal give us egg. Okay, and we also eat the flesh of some animals like hen, sheep, goat, etc. Honeybees. Honeybees gives us honey and wax. Wax. Wax is used in making candle. In Bengali, wax we say mom. Okay, so wax is very useful and we use in making candle. We also get fiber, fibres. We also get fiber from some animals like sheep and silkworm. Okay, next. These fibers are used in making clothes. Sheep gives us wool to make woolen cloths. Okay, so how this farm animal help us? Okay, if I ask you this question, your answer will be, or I can also give you such a question that give some example of farm animals with their uses, how they help us. So that time you can also mention the name of few farm animals like goat, like hen, like sheep, and how they help us. You have to write. You have to mention how they help us. Okay, next page, page 20. Silkworm. Silkworm give us silk thread to make silk cloths. Silkworm gives us silk thread to make silk cloth. We use the skin of some dead animals to make leather, mean chamra. Ankon Patro, be attentive. We use the skin of some dead animal to make leather. Alvi, yes, Alvi, say
Ma'am,
yes.
handbook, ma'am. Handbook. 1, 2 और 4 होगा.
Yes, the chapter 4 is in your handbook. I know chapter 4 is there. But as we have time, okay, as we have time, that's why now I'm reading this chapter 3. After that, we will go chapter 4. Okay, as now we have time, that's why there should be a continuation. If we skip chapter 3, after that, if we start chapter 4, it can mix up. That's why, as we have time right now, we are doing chapter 3. Why I chose? Because this is a very easy and small chapter. That's why. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because I thought that if I can select three chapter, but as this chapter is very small chapter, so I can add this chapter in the FA1 syllabus. I can add this chapter in the FA1 syllabus. That's why. Okay, I'm not sure. Let me complete, then I'll inform you. Okay. Yes, Shyam. Say
Ma'am,
yes.
from this chapter you give questions from in our exam.
In not yet decided. Let me complete the syllabus, let me complete chapter 4, then I will inform you. Okay,
Okay,
let me check the whole syllabus. Okay, because in essay 1 syllabus there should not be too much, because we know that we get only few time to cover SA1 syllabus, and for FA1 we have sufficient time. That's why I thought that I should start this chapter. Okay, but question answer will come or not, that I will inform you. Don't worry. Okay, everything will be informed. Okay, next. We use the skin of some dead animal to make leather. Leather is used to make belts, jackets, bags, shoes, and many more things. Just look at the picture. Belt, jacket, bag, shoes, all are the things made by leather. And just think uh, about a little matter, that to make a bag, to make a jacket, how many animals killed every day? Every day. Think about it. only to get this nice. We all love to use nice belt, nice jacket. We all love to use beautiful bags. But all this made by the skin of dead animals. Okay. Next, beast of burden. There are also some animals who are known as beast of burden. Why? Pronobi, be attentive. Why? Because some animals are used to carry our loads, pull carts, plow, plow our field. They are called beast of burden. Like donkey, we use donkey to carry load. A horse used to pull cart. Just look at the picture. An oxen used to plow field. An elephant is used to carrying a log of wood. So this is why particularly this animal, donkey, horse, oxen, elephant, they are known as beast of burden. Beast. Beasts mean this is a similar word to animal. Okay, beast mean also animal. Keep this in your mind that beast of burden. Burden mean load. Burden mean in Bengali we say boja. Burden mean load and beast of burden mean animal those who carry our loads. Beast of burden. Understood? Beast is a similar word of animal. So, what we learned from this chapter? Very, very easy chapter. Okay, very easy chapter. Already everything is known to you. You have already learned in the SST and science in standard 1. So, you can also, you should take this chapter as your revision chapter. Okay, so we learned 5 things that there are different kinds of animal around us. We keep some animal at our home like dog, cat, fish, etc. and they were known as pet animal. Pet animal also love help us in such different ways. Farm animal give us food and many other useful things. We also get fiber from some animal like sheep and silkworm. We also get fiber from some animal like sheep and silkworm. We use the skin of some dead animal to make leather. Understood? Okay. What will be your homework or what will be your assignment? I will not tell you in the class. For that, you have to check the assignment section. Okay, you have to check the assignment section. There, I will post there. I'll upload after the class. I'll give you one homework. Okay, so try to submit your homework within the deadline, within the time. If you fail to do that, I also will be unable to check your homework within the date, within the time. Okay, now let me ask to one by one. Let me ask to one by one. Solanki, Solanki.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Solanki, tell me the name of some pet animals. Tell me the name of two pet animals. Tell me the name of any two animals. Tell me the name of any two animals. Any two pet animals. Pet animal. Tell me any two pet animal. Pet animal. Pet animal means the animals that we keep in our home. Say which animal we keep in our home. Which animal? Dog, cat. Yes, dog, cat, these are called pet animal. Okay, learn the chapter. Next, Debbie, tell me, how does a dog help us? How does a dog help us?
Dog, dog guards our house.
Yes, very good, very good. Ankon Patro, Ankon Patro, Ankon Patro. Unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankon Patro say, how does a cat help us? How does a cat help us? Say,
My
Say, how does a cat help us? You can also tell me from your book. I said, how does a cat help us? What happened,
Cat
Anko?
catch mouse.
Yes, a cat catch. No, very good. Okay. Next, Albira. Albira, unmute your device. Albira, do fast. Albira, unmute your device. What happened, Albira? Unmute your device. Okay. Tamanna, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Albira, sorry, Tamanna, can you tell me that who are called beast of burden?
Yes, ma'am. Beast of burden.
Yes.
A donkey helps us to carry load. Horse helps to carry
Okay, Tamanna,
trucks.
Listen one thing. Very good. Thank you for your answer. But my question was, who are called beast of burden? So, if you get this question, that who are called, it's mean teacher is asking you the name of the animal who are called beast of burden. That time your answer
Okay, ma'am.
should be only the name. You can say the
Okay, ma'am.
beast of burden are. You can also write
Donkey.
there are. Let me complete. There are some animal who are called beast of burden like donkey, horse, elephant. Then the next question that will come to you, why? So there should be two questions. Who are called beast of burden and why? Keep this in your mind, everyone. Who are called beast of burden and why? So if your teacher asks you why they are called, that time you need to say because all of these animals carry our load. Carry our load. This is why they are called beast of burden. Okay.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Question are called Vista button. We have to write the names.
If I ask you only who are, that time you have to write only the name. But if I ask you why, why mean the teacher is asking you the reason why they are called. That time you have to write because they carry our loads.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
I got it.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Lamia,
Yes, ma'am.
Lamia, tell me the name of two farm animals. Two farm animals.
Two farm animals.
Yeah,
Cow and goat.
cow and goat. Very, very good. Shoptorshi, sit properly. Shoptorshi.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
Shoptorshi, I got your assignment and I have also checked. I also remarked there that Shoptorshi very good, but try to improve your handwriting. Okay, Shoptorshi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and Shoptorshi, tell me, who gives us wool?
Sheep.
Okay, now you are in standard two. Okay, so you should tell me. You should give me the answer in full sentence, not like this. Don't give the answer only saying by one word. You should tell me, wool, we
Give
get
us wool.
wool from sheep. Okay, as
Okay.
you are in standard 2. Next, Jisham, Jisham,
Yes, ma'am.
Jisham, tell me the name of any two pet animals.
Dog and hen.
Dog and hen. Very, very good. Name. And everyone, Submit your assignment within the given date. Yesterday I received few assignment only. Few assignment. Pushpok, Lamia received few assignment yesterday I received. Okay, I'll see few days, and after that I will talk to your parents. Okay, next. Ankon Jana, Ankon Jana. Unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankon, say who tell me one thing. How does a dog help us? How does a dog help us?
Dog helps catch help.
No. Tell me properly. Dog guards our house, and dog also help us to catch thief. Yes. Good. Practice more, okay? Sanvi, where are you? Atrika Nashkar.
Yes, ma'am.
Atrika say only 8 minutes left. Okay, Atrika say that from where we get honey.
We get honey from bee. Bee.
Very, very good. Very, very good. Nice answer. Nice reply. Very good. Okay. Pornik Maji.
Yes, ma'am.
Pornik Maji, tell me who are called beast of burden? Who are called beast of burden? Okay, only 3 minutes left, so I'm unmuting you all. Okay, tell me who want to say who are called beast of burden and why? Yes.
Some animals are beasts of burden.
Yes.
Beasts of burden like
Hmm.
donkey, horse, and elephant are beasts of burden.
Hmm.
They come and hold our some animals and be our lords that are called beasts of
Okay.
elephant.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Then today, donkey, horse, and elephant carry our loads.
Hmm.
That's why they are called beasts of burden.
Okay. Okay. Next question. My next question is that
Carry
who are called domestic animal? Who are called domestic animal? Yes, Solanki. Say. Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Examples are dog, cat,
Very good. Ankushuki.
domestic animal.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Like cows, buffaloes, and goats.
Okay, very, very good, very good, and thank you so much. Thank you so much that all of you are responding. Okay, I'll also give you a very nice and very interesting science project on this topic. Okay, okay, give me some time. I will upload you very soon within today. Okay, so student, time is over, class time is over. So see you on tomorrow. Okay, stay safe, stay at your home, don't go outside. Okay, and keep learning and learn this chapter. Okay, so bye bye for today, see you on tomorrow. Tata, bye bye.